Welcome back to Hot Off the Streets, an entertainment news bulletin. And I am your girl, Anati Valiko, and I'll be hosting you. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also ring the post notification bell. So on to the hot stuff today. The most anticipated season of the hottest show in Mzansi, Season 3 has arrived. The Showmax biggest telenovela, The Wife, is back with this highly anticipated Season 3 after record-breaking Seasons 1 and 2. Just before we dive into Season 3, let's recap a little bit for new viewers of The Wife, or if you watched the 2 previous seasons but no longer remember them very well. So The Wife series is a Showmax original telenovela that follows the life of 8 Zulu brothers, a formidable crime family, through the eyes of the women they marry. Season 1 is inspired by the novel Hlomu, The Wife, a bestseller Dudu Busani Dube. Rising star Malenhle Mavimbela plays Hlomu, The Wife, the journalist who falls in love with a taxi driver, not realizing that when you marry a man, you marry his secrets. Her love interest, Mkhele, played by Bongo Khoza. The whole season is centered around Hlomu and Mkhele. Season 2 is inspired by the follow-up novel Zandile the Resolute. The role of Zandile, who is also the fierce matriarch of the Zulu family, is played by Kanye Mbau, and Mondli Makhoba reprises his role as Nkosana, the eldest Zulu brother in The Wife. The whole season is centered around Zandile and Nkosana. Now into Season 3, which is unfortunately the final season of The Wife. Season 3 is inspired by the novel Naledi His Love. Naledi is played by Khaisang Nohe, who was introduced to us at the end of Season 2 and had already taken Kawe's heart, with Nkwenzo Ngcobo retaining his role as Kawe. One thing though we have noticed over the past few months building up to Season 3 is that a lot of new cast members have been brought in for Season 3, and some actors got replaced, such as Mkhele, which was a character previously played by Bongo Khoza, but in this new season, it is now played by Wiseman Mncube, whom many of us know him as Sibonelo on Uzalo. Other new faces include veteran actor Silo Mutlong, who takes the mantle as Naledi's father, Khosi, while Bongo Muffin Stone Siete will play Sifako, Kawe's rival for Naledi's affection. Lungi Lumbangase will star as Koli, Samulo's love interest, and Mosi Tume will play Tidi, Naledi's perfectly cast older sister. 3 new episodes of Season 3 will be released every Thursday at 5 a.m. on Showmax. As of Thursday, 10th November 2022, for about 12 to 14 weeks. Let us know in the comments box below who is your favorite character so far and why. Again, I'm your girl Anati, and this is Hot Off the Streets, brought to you by Nice Entertainment. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Peace.